Hello friends. I will show you how to point your host Mr. account to a subdomain created on other hosting provider. Point the mouse cursor to My Domains menu, then click on Hosted Domains. Then click Host Domain. Now I will click on Advanced Settings to view the IP address which dedicated to this account. Here's my IP address. You will need this IP address to point your third-party domain or subdomain to this IP. You will create an DNS record and point your domain to this IP address. Now I will go to the other hosting provider to create the DNS record. Make sure to add an record, then click Create. This is the domain name. I will create a test record. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, the test subdomain will be test.so-grand.com. Here I will point this subdomain to the IP address of my hosting which I got from hostmr.com, then I will click the Create button. It appears here that the new subdomain has been created and pointed to the IP address of the hosting which I got from hostmr.com. Now I will go back to hostmr control panel, and bind the hosting account to the newly created subdomain in my other hosting panel. Here I will type test.so-grand.com. Don't forget to uncheck Jail Host to activate the hosting immediately. Then click Add Host. It appears here that test.so-grand.com has been pointed and added successfully. This is just in case if you don't want to get a domain name from hostmr.com. If you already bought a domain from hostmr.com, you can skip all this video and go ahead to the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.